bubbles. Gawa din bubbles sa Francis, okay? While holding phone. Okay, say Let's blow the water together. You do it sa hands ko, ayan, no? Blow the water, Francis. Good. Very good. One more. Say blow the water, Francis. Good. Okay, good job. High five. Okay, Ate Zia, come back in. Ay, walang playtime si Ate Zia kasi umaalis sa stairs. Okay, everyone, sabay-sabay tayo. Let's all do 10. 9. Last one, 10. Okay, very good. Good job. Okay, Calix, it's your turn.
7, 8, 9, 10.
Calix, you hold the coach. Hold the coach. Okay, good job, Ate Sia. Sit down lang, ha? Ready, Calix? Okay, you hold my shoulder. Hold my shoulder. Calix, sit down. You want down to be proud. Okay, good job, Francis. Coach, magsisipa ka dyan. Gilid ka, Coach, sa gilid. Hey, everyone, put your feet up and go kick your feet up. Kick faster. Yung mabilis. Ang very good lang. Yan. Tuloy yung kick. Diretso mo yun. Galaw. Yes. Nag-i-skip siya. Okay, space. Last 10. 9. 8. 7. Sige lang. 5. 4. Ayan. 2. 1. Okay, stop. Okay. Harder, para winner.
Ito tayo konti dito para sila Elise.
Erby, move to your left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop.
Stop.
Sit down. Everyone sit down.
Everyone sit down. So,
Last 30 seconds. Go, go, go. Yeah, wag mo lang ito. Faster lang.
go.
Go.